Well, good day and I love you and welcome to the Oracle Temple. I am the Oracle Siren. So today's exercise is about how to consciously use our own energy to make things real more readily. In our temple, all of we goddesses, I'm not sure if that's proper grammar, but hey, are inviting new circumstances. We have all stepped into a brand new day. I offer that if you allow yourself to really sit still, today you're going to feel it. You're going to feel the energetic change where you have crossed over, where you're never going back. You can feel it now. It's a new day. You are in new energy and you are never going back to what was before. You can feel it today. You know that's real. I've been telling you this, but today you can feel it. So for our purposes today, for our goddesses in our temple, we are going to show up today and start sharing how this new way is aspecting us benevolently, beneficially, how beautifully things are flowing to us. We're going to consciously choose to pay attention to that which is flowing into our lives in beautiful, perfect harmony. And we're going to purposefully speak about it, share, draw more attention to it, allow our sisters' attention upon that which we share to gift more energy in manifestation. I have offered this to you all before. If you wake up first thing in the day and your throat feels some type of way and you walk into the common area and your friends, your family says to you, "How are you today?" And you say, "Terrible, my throat hurts." You have made an energetic deposit in the bank of annihilation, the bank of fear, the bank of demise. And then your friends, your family says, "Oh gosh, that's terrible. I'm so sorry you feel so horrible." Deposit in the bank of demise, deposit in the bank of demise, deposit in the bank of demise. So now you're really sick. Yeah, energetically you've just quadrupled down on that tickle in your throat. Let's try it another way. You wake up, your throat has a tickle. My throat feels tickly. There's a lot of information there. Perhaps I should be gentle with my voice today. Perhaps I should pay attention to things that I'm wanting to speak about. Perhaps I need more water. Maybe I should rest a little today. All of this information contributes to how I will care for myself today in a beneficial way. That's beautiful. Walk out into the common area. Witness your family. How are you feeling today? I'm really good. I'm really good. Thank you for asking. I'm even better knowing that this beautiful, benevolent, biological vessel speaks to me in real time and just told me to kind of chill out today. How beautiful is that? Aha! You're well now. You might have woke up with a tickle that could have gone into quite a pickle. But you decided to avoid it by diverting energy and consciously choosing to delegate and apply energy in a way that is beneficial to you. So for us right now, each of us is going through some stuff. Each of us has some tumultuous shifting, but we also have viable circumstances. We have resources flowing. So for today, I would like for you to come in and share all the ways that your life is so beautiful right now and so abundant, so that the rest of us can read your writing and lend our energy to your words and to their sentiments and manifest more for you. We're going to mirror what you are putting down so that we can double down on your evolution. That's how it works. When we pull others' energy into our process, we create more manifestation. You understand this. That's the news. You know, none of these things would be so big, so bad, so good. They would not attract so much energy if it weren't for the attention that's pulled to begin with. If we didn't have our attention drawn to a particular idea, a particular focus, a particular manifestation, it would not carry such power. When we talk about things, when we write about things, when we pay attention to them, we bring our energy. where you've heard where your attention flows, energy goes. I will add to that. That's where manifestation grows, or matter grows. Where energy flows, where attention goes, energy flows, and matter grows. So we're going to use the natural laws of physics on this planet, the natural ways to work, to manifest, to bring in more of what we desire, gifted from source. Like, this is a natural process, gifted to humans, that we can step into at any given time and access more for our own well-being. So for today, instead of coming in here, and this is what we do, we default to coming in and talking about what's wrong, what we're struggling with, what we're challenged by, what we feel we have to pay attention to, because this thing has made us uncomfortable. This dynamic has caused dis-ease within. So now I have to talk about it. Now I have to share it with you. And now I have to solve it. Now I have to fix it. No, you don't. Today you got to turn the other cheek. Turn the other cheek. Turn your energetic focus. Energetic focus. Energetic focus. Energetic focus. Turn your focus to the solution. Note the problem. I see you. I feel you. I have dis-ease. I am experiencing discomfort. I don't like this. So I'm going to turn the other cheek and hocus pocus focus my energy and attention on what I desire more of. Energetic principle. Yes. So please today, for your check-in, come in and offer what's going great in your life. And if you have to fake it a little bit and exaggerate a little bit and maybe embellish a little bit, go for it. Because all of those delicious embellishments can become real manifestations as we read them and focus upon them, gifting our energy for your manifestation. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, I have a card for us today. This is so exciting because Saturn makes it real. Saturn makes it real. When we have Jupiter, we have ideas, we have resources, but Saturn is the cement. Saturn is the gravity. So this is an auspicious day. It makes me cry. You can hear that lip in my voice. I am so very excited that we are all here together today, that we are in this new era on earth. And these things I've been telling you for all this time that have seemed so woo-woo and so out there are real. And you can feel them. And not only can you feel it, but you can play in it. You can play in it and you can choose what you want more of. Haha. Free will planet. High level living. The new humanity in this new era. It's so stinking beautiful. Okay, I'm going to pull a universe card for us. And if I could see what I'm doing now that I'm teary-eyed, I'm going to pull a goddess card. In my goddess attire, I need more goddess clothes. That will be the work. Moving forward, getting me more goddess clothes. Perhaps I'll put this on the internet, and if anybody wants to assist me in making me goddess attire, I will love to receive. Okay, wow. All right, that was easy. I love when it happens like that. Okay. Oh, this is good. She's upside down. 𝘠𝘵𝘶. I have no idea how to say this card. I'm going to say 𝘠𝘵𝘶. 𝘠𝘵𝘶, she's about the past. She's upside down. And she's number 36. So 3 and 6 is 9. So this is about the finishing of a cycle. 3 and 6 and 9. 9 is the understanding of manifestation. 10 is completion, but 9 is we've come to the end. I know what I'm capable of. I know what I should do. I know what I shouldn't do. I know how to apply. I have worked the process. I understand now. I'm at the end, the cultivation, that's the word I'm looking for. I'm at the cultivation of the cycle, ready to step into 10, which is completion. Upside down, the alignment message, she says, our stories can hold us hostage to a past that no longer serves us. The goddess of memories, 𝘠𝘵𝘶, reminds you that running away from painful memories and pretending that wrongs haven't been committed does nothing to help you truly find meaning and purpose. Your alignment is to stop and take inventory of the past and the stories that keep you tied to it and defined by it. She calls you to be rigorously honest about the areas in your life where you have been wounded, as well as where you have wounded others. Dig deep to uncover your unconscious biases and triggers. Know that it may challenge today to read. Know that it may be a messy experience as you surrender to the truth that you can't control the outcome of other people's reactions when you are ready to make real shifts. The world is changing, and to be a part of its glorious unfolding, you are being invited to do this deep work. Miracles are waiting for you once you set yourself free and allow your memories of the past to lead you to the truth. Transformation comes with a price. Leaving some of your old self behind isn't easy, but it is necessary to become the goddess that you have been waiting for. Summon your courage. The goddess 𝘠𝘶𝑚𝗵 will help you. You will rise up from this mess, and only beauty and strength will remain. Oh my goodness, it's the perfect card. Talk about synchronicity. So, when we continue to tell stories from the past, when we continue to present things as if they are problematic, and the past sticks. We don't want that today with Saturn conjuncting the moon. However, when we apply, what's the word I'm looking for? What was the beginning of this? When we consciously apply and delegate energy to what we want more of, stories of the present, stories of the gift, the present is the gift, stories of what resources are abundantly available, stories about the possibility, the provisions that steadily flow to us and through us and from us, then we can step into today and leave that residue behind. You do not have to fix it to get rid of it. You can't take a sticker up and get all the residue off, but you can stick a sticker over it. Okay? So for today, don't worry about cleaning all that stuff up and getting rid of all of it. And so you can tell the story of how it all got fixed up and all got right. Forget about it. Smack another sticker on it where you're talking about the abundance of today, the possibility of today, the newness of today. I always trust the direction of the universe and know I'm being guided, Dragonfly. Love it. I love it, and I love you, and I'm so grateful we are together today. Mwah! Thank you for being here.